Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Price level changes can be tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's look at how aggregate demand reacts when the overall price level shifts. A change in the price level does not shift the aggregate demand curve itself. Instead, it causes a movement along the existing curve, so we can immediately eliminate options A and B. The foreign purchases effect explains that when domestic prices rise, our goods become more expensive for foreigners. Meanwhile, foreign imports become relatively cheaper for us, so we buy more of them. Exports decrease and imports increase, reducing net exports. This causes a movement upward and left along the curve, making option C the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given and check steps for option C.